Hey YouTube, it's Tyler here. So we just got our Ninja Blast portable blender in. It came with a 2-pack. We have a purple and a gray. My wife just charged this one and we're going to give it a shot. So all you gotta do is put some water in it and fill it up to the minimum liquid line. You're gonna put your little cap on there. And mind you, this cap you can drink out of, which is awesome. So if you wanna blend it, you can put it in your car, right? Drink out of it. So right here, you just turn it on and you wanna wait until the purple goes solid, and once it goes solid it says it has enough charge to be able to blend, and here we go. And it will go for 30 seconds and it will stop on its own, but we only put one little fruit in here and some water just to do demo. But that's it. So you basically just put this in your car, go to work, and if you wanted to stir it up again and drink it, you're good to go.